Jim Dean at Busch Gardens at the opening for Cobra's Curse. Jim, thanks for having us here.
Thank you for coming.
How do you feel that now we're just a day away from Cobra's Curse finally opening?
We open tomorrow, Friday the 17th. I'm pretty excited about that. It's been a long time coming. We've been working this for a long time. Great family attraction.
Yeah, we haven't ridden it yet, but we're looking forward to it. What can you tell us about the ride that has you most excited?
I'll tell you, it's a surprise because it has three different elements to it. You go forward like a traditional roller coaster, but then you hit a spot where your car turns around and locks you in backwards, so you ride backwards for a little while. And then you hit a spot where you go up another incline lift, a second lift, and then you start spinning, free spinning, based on who's riding in the car with you.
Right.
And it's a lot of fun.
Now, I mean, it's really like, because we know it used to take over, it took over Touch-Tune.
Yeah, that's right.
And they really integrated it well with Egypt. What was the thought process of placing Cobra's Curse here?
Well, you know, for many of our rides and attractions, we're inspired by nature. And Cheetah was one of those examples. When we opened Cheetah Hunt, hugely successful attraction for us. And this one's similar. We have snakes that we're presenting in the queue as you go through, and it's an air-conditioned queue, which is awfully nice.
Yeah, very nice.
You get to learn about snakes as you're getting ready to ride Cobra's Curse, and it's a lot of fun. And it's for the family. I mean, 4-year-olds can ride this ride, so that's what's really exciting. 42 inches is our height restriction, which is really good for us.
Now, have you ridden it?
I have ridden it. I've ridden it a few times. And, you know, even for me, and I love it. I'm an adrenaline junkie. I love those fast, tall rides. This one's a lot of fun.
So what's next for Busch Gardens after Cobra's Curse?
We're working on the future right now. We have a few things in our plans, and we're excited about that. The future's really good. It looks really great. I mean, we've got some things we're working on in the other parts of the park that I think are going to really round out the experience here.
Awesome. Well, thanks for taking the time to interview us. I appreciate it.
Nice meeting you.
Likewise.